going to continue the session on C programming.
In this session, we are going to use loops to print a multiplication table.
Now, let us open up the terminal app. The last time we only saw how to use the while loop, for loop and do while, right? Now we'll use one of the loops. I'll use for loops to print a multiplication table. I'll open my loop function file. So first I'll declare some variables named as factor 1, factor 2. I'll assign this with 1. No need. I'll assign both with 0. Assign both with 0. Okay. Oh. 1. Okay. Now, actually, we don't need num. We'll need rename this as product, and instead of num over here, num. Okay, num. Now let us initialize assign with 1 with it, and the for loop will only continue till 10. I'm only going to give till 10 tables. I'll first declare a product variable. Product equals to 0. So inside product, we'll assign it with maybe 2. I'll take as the factor 1, and I'll multiply it with num, because num has the factor 2 will come 1, 2, 3. Now let us test this code. Before that, I'll comment this while loop and a do while. If I do the do while, it'll print a lot of times. Okay, clear. Compile, then hit out. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is it coming like that? Because we only printed word num. So let us change this to product. And over here I'll give value only. Oh, I did not compile it, right? Yeah. Out. Now see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 12, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Means it's working properly. Now let us take in the user's input for the factor 1. So for that, let's take printf enter factor 1 like that, scan percent d with ampersand factor 1. Okay, now we'll use instead of 2, we'll use factor 1, because we are taking the input of factor 1. Factor 1, let us see if it works. This is C. There are no compilation errors as warnings, so I can continue. Oh. 3. Yay! This is working properly. Give 3. But the problem is that I have to always do error out, give the number, error out, give the number. So to fix this issue, go back to the code and just declare a char variable first, named as cont. It's a char variable. And to continue it infinite times, we'll use the while loop 1. But this will not work. Now let us try this one out. System. Now shift Z, clear, GCC, and then A dot out. Enter factor 1. 1. Now see, it's coming in a flash and going away. So to fix this issue, we declared a count variable, that's why. So for that, let us type in an if condition to say that whether count not equals to y, then it'll exit the code. Means it'll leave all the work. So for this we'll use the exit function. But if it's yes, then it'll clear the screen and go back here. Let's try that out. Okay. Now over here enter factor 1, maybe 5. Oh. That's nice. Now let us modify this code because I don't like value over here. Let us give the proper multiplication table, how it looks like. So to print this, take out this one, %d into %d equals to %d. This is your printing into and n equals to. So first let us take factor 1 and factor 2. Now let us test this code. There are no compilation errors or warnings, so I can continue. No 5. Now you see that it's 0 over here because we did not use factor 2 itself. So we'll change num into factor 2. Got this factor 2 XP factor 2 and even in this place factor 2. Now let us test this code. Yeah, GCC. Oh, undeclared identifier product. Where didn't I give semicolon? Oh, because I did not give comma here, then it will not consider the product as the integer variable. And semicolon also defines that the line has ended. The syntax has ended over there. Clear. GCC, there are no compilation errors or warnings, so I can continue. 4. Look, it's coming like a proper multiplication table, but you see that the indents over here are not proper. 36 is like over here, and 40 is over here. It's one gap more. So, to fix this issue, let's go back to our code. And over here, in the middle of percent, let's give 3. Means I'll leave 3 spaces for the number. I give 3 because in the 11 table there's 110, right? 110. Hey, that's 110. That's why I'm giving 3. And over here I'll give 2. No, 3. 2. Yeah. 2. Because why am I typing 2? 3. Let us test this code now. Let's see if it comes properly. There are no compilation errors or warnings, so I can continue. 3. Whoa! Now see that working properly, the indent has come. It's come. Over here we have this. It's in a line. If you see the right hand side. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video interesting.